Hi, I'm going to show you how to make your MIDI keyboard sound like Animal Crossing's KK slider and his guitar. And we'll even set it to change his words automatically while you play. We'll do this using a sampler and a special type of file called a sound font. First, search the internet for the KK slider sound font. Load up your workstation. I'm using Reason with the NNXT sampler. One sampler for setting up the keyboard, and a different one for loading the sounds. Open the sound font, and there's a presets folder with each of KK Slider's samples ready to play. We'll start with the guitar. You can see the different samples spread across the keys. I think they're all similar enough, so I'm just going to pick the one on middle C and copy and paste it over to the keyboard. Set which keys you want to play the sample. Then set the pitch to the octave that sounds best. Now for his voice. Back in the other sampler, load the first word. Copy it over and set the range of notes like before. And then do the same for all of the other words. But now all the samples play at the same time. To get the words to alternate, group them together and turn on the alternate function. Alt. Now the samples will alternate at random. Finally, make his voice monophonic so only one note plays at a time. I'm also going to adjust the velocity to balance out the volume. Now you have a KK slider of your very own.